Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok live not working. So guys, if you're using iPhone and want to go live on TikTok and facing any kind of issue related TikTok live, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your TikTok app, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy. And guys, after this here is the option of live. Simply you have to click on this, click on live events. And guys, after this, first of all you have to create any live event. And guys, after clicking on it, then guys you will be able to get a notification. And guys, when you have click on notification, then guys you will be able to go live easily. And guys, the second step is you have to click on free up space, clear cache and clear all the data from TikTok. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. After this you have to open your app store. And guys, after this you need to search your TikTok app. And after searching your TikTok app, you have to open your app and check for update. If not updated your app, you have to update your TikTok app. And after doing this you have to go back. And guys, simply you have to open your settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys click on TikTok app. And guys, if you have remembered your TikTok login, simply you have to offload your TikTok app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again and log in again your TikTok account. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.